In this video, I will discuss the benefits of intermittent fasting. You may think that burning fat and weight loss are the only benefits of intermittent fasting. This is not the case. The benefits of intermittent fasting encourage you to keep going because sooner or later, you will see the desired result. It motivates you and drives you so that you keep going on the journey. Losing weight. If you were to ask people why they are embarking on an intermittent fasting regime, the chances are that almost all of them will tell you that they are doing it to lose weight. There is a lot of evidence to support that intermittent fasting will help most people lose weight quickly. There are several reasons why intermittent fasting helps people to lose weight. One of the main reasons is that it helps boost your metabolism, which helps your body burn fat faster. Another reason why intermittent fasting is good for weight loss is that you are very likely to decrease the number of calories you consume daily. This will lower your insulin levels and also help to increase your levels of growth hormone. It will also increase the amount of norepinephrine in your body. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting helps to increase the metabolism by as much as 14%. With a higher metabolism, you will burn more calories. Over 3 to 24 weeks, you can lose weight at a rate of 8%, which is impressive. Many people who take part in intermittent fasting declare to observe relief from how they feel then and now. The waist pain has reduced drastically, and they feel better now. It reduces belly fat because the fat could do more harm than good, and if care is not taken, it could cause severe diseases in the body. Also, intermittent fasting is better than other diets because it does not result in muscle loss. A diet that restricts calorie intake could result in muscle loss, and this could be a problem. Cell repair. When you participate in intermittent fasting, the cells in your body begin removing waste cells. This process is called autophagy. It is all about the breaking down of the cells in your body. Autophagy also helps to metabolize broken and dysfunctional proteins that build up over time in the cells. According to the experts, the main benefit of autophagy is that it protects against the development of some severe diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. So intermittent fasting can help you to prevent illness and live longer and healthier. Insulin resistance. Unfortunately, more people are struggling with type 2 diabetes today than there ever were before. It is more common with people that are considered obese. With diabetes, you experience elevated blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance. If you can reduce your insulin, then you should reduce your blood sugar levels. This is a great way to protect yourself from type 2 diabetes. There have been many studies proving that intermittent fasting can help with insulin resistance. It can help to reduce blood sugar levels significantly. Some of the studies showed a decrease in blood sugar levels of 6% when people were fasting. When you are fasting, your insulin levels can fall by as much as 30%. This proves that intermittent fasting can help reduce diabetes and prevent you from getting the disease. Improved brain function. Whenever you do something that benefits your body, it will often help your brain as well. By increasing your metabolism through intermittent fasting, you are very likely to improve your brain health. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is that it can reduce the amount of oxidative stress. Fasting can also reduce blood sugar levels and inflammation. There have been studies that show intermittent fasting helps to boost the growth of nerve cells. This also helps to enhance the brain. Fasting can also increase a brain hormone called a brain-derived neurotrophic factor. If you have a deficiency with this hormone, then you are more susceptible to depression. One other reason that intermittent fasting can protect your brain is that it can save you from the damage caused by strokes. So as you can see, intermittent fasting is an excellent way to protect and enhance your brain. Reduced inflammation. People that suffer from chronic disease often have a problem with oxidative stress. This can be a big problem with aging as well. With oxidative stress, free radicals are released. These are unstable and can react negatively with essential things like protein and DNA. This can cause a lot of damage to the body. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can build up the body's resistance to oxidative stress. Other studies show the power of intermittent fasting when it comes to fighting inflammation. So you now know that many other benefits come with intermittent fasting other than just the ability to burn unwanted fat. It is worth bearing these benefits in mind when you embark on your unsteady fasting journey. It is going to take persistence and patience to get the results that you desire. With the many benefits of intermittent fasting, you can use this to inspire you to keep going.